Here's how to see and understand your Komatsu CMS sample test results, so you can take action to prevent unscheduled downtime. When you're logged into My Komatsu, roll over Condition Monitoring Services and search Samples to bring up the samples you want. If you need help with this, you can view the video on Searching Samples. Each sample shows a colour-coded status level: critical, action, caution, query, or normal. Let's examine a sample requiring action. Click on Go to Sample to display the sample results overview. At the top, there's our latest evaluation, summarising the reasons for the status and the action we recommend. This will always be for the latest sample, even if you're examining results for an earlier one. Moving down, there's the unit and sample info, including the name of the technician who performed the analysis. Once you've dealt with the recommendation, you would come back and click this Actioned button. But let's first look at the actual results. CMS analysis is looking for variations in the level of impurities or evidence of degradation in the fluid. Laboratory sample results show the impurities in parts per million and other measures of fluid condition depending on the fluid type. We'll come back to this screen, but let's see those results in an interactive chart. Click Charts in the page header. Below the graph area, there's a checkbox for each element in the sample. The report mentioned sodium and copper, so let's display those. Now roll over the chart area to view data for each plot point and see which scale it's using. Sodium's using the right-hand side, copper's using the left. You can see these test items have been elevated for the past few samples. The scales will adjust automatically to provide the most instructive display of data. For example, on this component, selecting phosphorus changes the right-hand scale to accommodate its higher parts per million. Explore other variables by selecting them in the legend. If there are more than 20 samples of history, click here to display the full sample history. The default x-axis shows machine hours, but could be kilometres, depending on the machine. Slide here to plot the data by date instead. Now let's head back to the overview screen. You can click here to download the sample report in PDF form, here for a whole of machine report, and here to select history reports. Down past the sample results, you can look back through the component's sample history. Click the arrow on any sample to view sample info, and the sample number to go to its own results screen. The page header also offers a Notes tab where you can add notes about the unit or specific component. Select Contact a Technician if you need to ask the CMS team anything about the sample. The sample details are pre-filled to make that quick and easy.